Wonka, Wonka, Gobstopper pieces. Don't eat them cause they taste like Reese's. PETG, 40-hour fails. I'm the flip out, take me to Wonka jail. Willie Everlasting, he beats like words. Own a chocolate factory, that is his rebirth. 3D printer, glass elevator. I'm back in charge, I'm the creator.
So I've tried to print these giant everlasting gobstoppers twice, and both of them have failed after about 30 hours. There was lots of layer line shifting. Right now I'm drying the filament. I'm hoping that'll work. If you have any suggestions on how I can fix this, please let me know. Thank you. The small ones came out okay, but as you can see there were also lots of defects during the prints. If you've seen my channel, you know I always like to go big. So after printing some small gobstoppers for props in the school play, I decided to print some huge ones. I upsized them to 620% of the original. I selected PETG as I like my prints to last even if left outdoors or in the sun. Next, I'm going to try print the gobstoppers in parts, then assemble them. That'll be much quicker than the EMS always changing color and reduce the chance of failure and the amount of waste. I have a bucket of poop from the filament changes from just 2 large gobstoppers.